Trouble under the hood leading you to the junkyard? Before you do this, watch this. A leaking transmission can lead to huge problems and really quick. So it's important to check your transmission fluid regularly. And if you discover a leak, you gotta act fast. BlueDevil Transmission Sealer permanently seals leaks by restoring dried, cracked, and shrunken rubber seals throughout your entire transmission system. And it's safe to use in both manual and automatic transmissions. BlueDevil is an easy to use, pour and go solution, and it's guaranteed to get you safely back on the road. So the hard part repair is always going to be your best option. However, when your vehicle just isn't worth that kind of investment, that kind of money, reach for BlueDevil Transmission Sealer as a safe alternative solution. For complete installation instructions, check out our YouTube channel or get all the information you need in one place over at GoBDP.com.